Friends, let's talk about capital market stocks today. Capital market stocks like Bombay Stock Exchange, then MCX or CDSL, CAMS, Angel, or you can say no ICICI Securities. There are so many stocks there, which are directly related to capital market or even commodity business. And believe me, this all these stocks has done exceptionally well. So, what is helping these stocks to grow over the time? We'll talk about that. And as an investor, no, I think one thing I want to tell you guys, you should go and check out these stocks if you're still not invested. They are quite crazy stock. They're given a great return to their invest in last 5 years. And let us talk what is the moat, and we'll discuss about the current data also. Now, before I go and talk about various stock, guys, today we have a Black Friday offer. So the link is given below for our workshop. Do attend without fail. The link will be there in the comment box. Do check it out. Okay. Now let us talk about first Bombay Stock Exchange or NSE. NSE is still unlisted. Bombay Stock Exchange is listed, but no, overall these two BSE, when it listed, no, it was actually down, and after that 160 rupees, now it is more than 4,000 rupees. Exceptional gain, more than 20 times return in last 3 to 4 years. And the reason is the demat account is increasing, the trading activity is increasing. And from last few years, when FI have already sold more than, you can say that 6 to 7 lakh crore rupees in last 4 years. Against that, no, DIA has bought almost 12 to 14 lakh crore, 12 lakh crore rupees around. So you can see such a way, almost 1.5 to double buying is already done by DII. And the reason is the demat account is opening and all that. So if you see the current demat account tally also, no, it has gone to almost 17, around 18 crores. Okay, 17.9 crore demat account already opened, and that is a big figure. Okay, no, sorry, total number demat account in October, that is increased to almost 17.9. Yes, you are right. So around 18 crore now. That is, it's a big figure. It's a big figure because at the end of the day, earlier क्या था, it used to be 4 to 5 crore. I do remember 4 to 5 years back, and now वो almost दो गुना से तीन गुना हो गया है. And the reason is simple: the retail activity now, because this demat account is increasing. You can see the CDSL, or you can say the KFIN or CAMS and all that are doing exceptionally well. And there are only through NSDL is there. NSDL is also coming with the IPO and all that. So all these intermediaries are going to get benefit out of that. Correct. I'm not recommending any stocks, but just to give you a sense, no, it is just a direct correlation. Or इसमें फायदा क्या है? Why all these Bombay Stock Exchange, NSE or CDS, NSDL, CAMS and broking business doing well? Because they are less capital intense. Once you have an infrastructure, your tech infrastructure in place, and once you have a SEBI, compliance and all that in place, and you got the SEBI license, I tell you, this infrastructure cost is nothing compared to what no money you generate. No, because you charge a fixed fee, and that fee will always cover your infrastructure cost, and that's why their ROE, ROC will be much better. And overall, no, all these companies may no overall can be a very good cash generating companies. Okay, so this is what you have to understand, that because of you can say it's not a capital intensive business, and that play a big role why these companies are doing well. And as an investor also, you have to check this. Again, the main thing you have to check it, what is the future of all these stocks. Future looks very bright, of course. Now you may say 17.9 no crore we have demat account, but understand one thing. Overall, this we have 140 crore. Okay, now out of this 18 crore demat account, so many individual may be having a 2 3 demat account. तो एक्चुअली तो वो 10 करोड़ के नीचे होंगे, और उसमें से भी एक्टिव तो 4 to 5 करोड़ ही होंगे. Correct. So when you have a less active demat account, and you can see this type of results. So now in future, as and when the market participation goes up from in India perspective, like in US, almost more than 50% people invest in equity. Even in Europe also it's more than 30%. China also more than 30%. We are still 6 to 7%. So even when we consider mutual fund also, so if the this ratio goes up, now of course your demat account and all that, the market activity goes up. Now of course SEBI is trying to control all this company by putting lot of regulation, लेकिन उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. The market, you can say, no, the turnover is going up only. Average daily turnover of both BSE and NSE is going up, and that is what you have to understand here, that it is not impacting. And that's why these are one can say that MCX or BSE, NSE and all that, they are having a specific mode which is very very tough to break. And I think this may do well. Again, not a recommendation, but yes, you should consider this platform stocks, no, before no do your of course analysis and valuation all that, but you should think about it. All these platform stocks I'm talking about, these guys are doing great businesses. Even the broking business, now they are marching towards wealth management, and wealth management also at advisory level. Now if you see the broking business, mostly the discount brokers is there. Earlier Zerodha was number one, now Grow is number one. So when we talk about Zerodha and Grow, around earlier Zerodha was having a 19% share last year October when we talk about 23. Similarly Grow were having around 19.9. Okay, and Angel one was 14.5. Now when we talk about 1 year after, Grow has gone to 25.8. Exceptional year on year growth Grow is having, compared to Zerodha is around 16.5, and Angel one is around, you can say, 15.4. They've also grown. So these three brokers can almost have almost 56% of total business. No, when then comes the upstock, which is 5 point, and ICICI Security 4, and all that. No, HDFC, Kotak, and all that. Even Motilal Oswal. But in a way, this discount brokers have grown, and out of that also Angel is listed. You know that all these companies also, I think Zerodha we don't know, but at least Angel and all that and all other traditional brokers are moving towards the advisory, because they also know that पैसे वहां मिल रहे, because there are so many investor in there in tier 2 tier 3 cities also. No, they want to invest and they want to earn more money by investing in the capital market, और उनके पास तो वो knowledge नहीं है, and that is the service they are providing, and that is very much lucrative. ओके, तो ये सब जो पॉइंट्स है ना, वो काफी इट्स एक्टिंग लाइक नो ब्राउनी पॉइंट्स टू ऑल these intermediaries and also broking businesses. And this may continue because at the end of the day, no, everyone wants to earn money. Correct. Even when we talk about MCA, MCX and all that, no, you have only one commodity business. Of course उसका valuation तो बहुत ही high है, but brilliant, no, absolutely brilliant. The way no, their monopolies, then it's very very difficult to break that type of monopoly once you get that type of license. And mind you, हमें लगता है लेकिन ये सब easy नहीं है. When you have no 2 लाख करोड़ टर्नओवर, 5 लाख करोड़ टर्नओवर, तो आपका सिस्टम बहुत ही रोबस्ट होना चाहिए. सो टू कॉपी दिस टाइप ऑफ एक्सचेंजेस इज वेरी, इवन देखो, एक तो नया नया कोई एक्सचेंज आएगा नहीं, ओके, लेकिन उनको कॉपी करना तो और डिफिकल्ट है, क्योंकि ये सालों से चलते आए हैं. इतने साल से अल्टरेशन करते आए सॉफ्टवेयर में, ये वो, तब जाके दे आर एबल टू basically bear this type of turnover. And you know that when the derivatives were going on, Indian derivatives was almost 80% of the world derivatives turnover. So there are specific modes about these companies, and that is why it is so excellent. Again, one thing I want to give a disclaimer, like some of the platform stock, even we have got invested our clients also. So just a disclaimer, I cannot give the name, but yes, keep this in mind. Again guys, if you, as I told you, Black Friday is there today, so that link is given below. You join us, because all our recommendation product we are giving a great discount which we have never given earlier. Okay, a big discount coming. So once in a year opportunity, do join that session. And also guys, if you have any questions or any doubts, put it in the comment box. I'll do reply. Do like and share this video without fail. Now talking about all these companies guys, again, no, so what, now you may set up on how we should invest in this type of companies. Guys, we can always wait for the deep. Of course, we have to first of all understand the which stock is looking better for you compared to valuation, all that. But I've just given you the pros and cons. Like when we talk about the exchanges, BSE, NSE, MCX, or all these companies, of course their turnover is going to go up as and when activity going up. ओके, अब आप बोलोगे सेबी का इंटरप्शन होगा, ये होगा, हाँ तो वो तो चलता रहेगा, बट they are going to get fixed fees on each and every transaction. So of course that when we talk about the other intermediates like CDSL, NSDL, okay, or CAMS or KFIN and all that, no, उनका बिजनेस भी इसलिए बढ़ेगा क्योंकि भाई जब लोग आएंगे तो सबको डीमेट अकाउंट तो खोलना पड़ेगा ना, सबको इवन कैम्स एंड केफिन में भी रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा व्हेन द म्यूचुअल फंड एक्टिविटी गोज अप. सो वहां भी एक बेनिफिट हमेशा अच्छा रहेगा कि स्टिल वी आर वेरी अंडर पेनिट्रेटेड, तो वहां भी एक बढ़ेगा. तो यू कैन थिंक अबाउट दैट ऑल्सो, दिस 4-5 companies I told about. Then we comes the brokers like, as I told you, ICICI Securities, HDFC Securities, or Kotak, and like Angel, and there are many grow, लेकिन उसमें सब लिस्टेड नहीं है, काफी लिस्टेड है. आनंद राठी, नवुमा, they are also going to gain, because of the increased participation. Even though the you can say because of SEBI interference उनके थोड़ा turnover थोड़ा कम हो सकता है FNO side में, because they have it. But understand, now SEBI has taken out a regulation where they have added another 23 companies together in the FNO segment. So when you have no, so वहां भी एक आपका साइकिल बढ़ेगा. एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस बिजनेसेस आर गोइंग टू गो ऑन. ऐसा कोई मुझे तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं लग रहा है ना. एंड दैट्स दिस इज द थर्ड segment you can think about in the capital market segment if you really want to invest. Again, I cannot give you the specific name. If you want to know, you can join our hub. No, there you will come to know. Okay, so hope you like this video, guys. यहाँ तक ही रखते हैं. If you have any question, do put it. I'll do answer your question for sure. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.